Hello everybody, and I'm going to be unboxing my mom's new AirPods Max in this video. Now, she already does have a pair of AirPods Max, but they broke, so my mom got these AirPods Max for Christmas, and she's going to let me unbox them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start unboxing them. So first up, we're going to pull down this pull tab. Alright, now we got that to the side. Now we can just go ahead and lift up the AirPods Max box. They're satisfying to open. And then we have the AirPods Max alongside their very, very attractive case. That is obviously sarcasm. And then if we open up, we have the Design by Apple in California packet alongside some other stuff like the manual, and just some regulatory and warranty info. So I'll just go ahead and put that all back in the packet. Alright, and we also have our Lightning USB-C cable here because these AirPods Max still use the Lightning connector. And that is it for this unboxing, and as always, I hope you all enjoyed it, and as always, I'm the iTunes fanboy. Thank you for watching this video, and peace out.